how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So if you want tutorials like this, please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell icon on so you would still be updated. So moving on to turning on the professional mode on your Facebook account. So just make sure that your Facebook is updated first. And once you are here, click on that three dots and click on turn on professional mode. Just turn it on. So through here you can get paid, create content, and just complete all this if you have the necessary things to complete some of these informations, such as links. You can add social links and websites so that your followers can see. And also you can create new content here so that you can show your followers as well, and add details about yourself so that your followers would know what is your account about. So just scanning through the details, and you can go back to your account, and once it is in professional mode you can see your followers and the following in your account. Just like this one, I have 1.1k followers. So that's pretty much it, guys, and you can check here that you are in professional mode by saying this: welcome to professional mode. And by clicking on here you can see also the turn on professional mode. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and please subscribe to the channel and see you on the next video.